Good morning, Anna. Good morning, sweet girl. Hi. Hi. Oh, is that so? Is that so? Do you have anything else you want to say? Oh, did you have a good dream? Did you have good dreams last night? Really? I just love you. I love you, Anna. Oh, my sweet girl. My sweet baby. Oh, I love you. I love you.